Hey there, it's Catalina, and today I'm signing on to our new dashboard. I received an email from our onboarding team, which has a claim card option. So I'm going to click that, and it's going to take me right to sign in. To sign up with the email I was given. And here we're going to create our profile. We'll start off with the profile picture. Center it, zoom in, everything. And then now we're going to do some basic information, job title, company. Here, I'm going to add my email. You can add multiple email addresses. And then my phone number, which you can change the name of, work, office. In this case, I'm using cell. You can add any websites. Add elitecardpro.com, of course, and I wanted to add my blog, but I'm just going to have to get that URL a little later. Here we're going to add in our keywords. I'm going to start with some basics like card, digital card, wine mixer if you've ever seen the movie Step Brothers, and curly hair. And a little note in the note section. Of course, you can add anything you'd like. And then here you can change the colors of your profile to match your brand or just whatever you like. I think it looks good here. You can press save changes, and now we're going to add it to our home screen. So since I'm on a computer, I'm going to click that on a computer scan to complete on mobile, and I'm going to go get my phone out. And we encourage all members to do this. We want the dashboard to be accessed from your phone. So let's get our phones out, and we're going to just scan this QR code right here. I've switched over to my phone. We're going to sign in the same way with the email that we just used. This part is pretty simple, but it is necessary. So here we're going to click that little share box on our phone. We're going to go to add to home screen from our phone again. I'm going to label it Catalina's card. You can label it Catalina's dashboard, Elite Connections dashboard. And then here, this is why this is so important. I'm going to click it right now. So now it took me right to login. I will always have access to my dashboard right from my phone. This is why we encourage this. All right. Now we can check that. Back onto the computer. Okay. Here we're going to look at the more on the dashboard. This is important. This is your configure settings where you can customize your templates if you have the Pro membership. So text messages, email, and then add your redirect link. So once a client submits their form, they will be redirected to a portfolio, social media. In this case, I'm using our website. Analytics, you can set goals for yourself and track your card views and saves, all that good stuff. And of course, we can add any keywords, change any phone numbers, emails, add any websites, anything that we may have missed. Okay. And there you have it. This is the profile. But if you go through the tutorial and you still have questions, please look in the bottom right-hand corner is our AI assistant. This thing is awesome. It should answer any more questions that you may have. Thanks so much for watching. This helps.